this week's edition of Update Bowling Green, we'll discuss the very first responders, emergency 911 operators. Emergency dispatchers are the first point of contact for people who need help, whether it's a car accident, a fire, a natural disaster, or a crime. 911 operators are there first, listening to the caller, taking notes, and sending that information on to the responding agency. If you are the calm in the storm and you enjoy helping people, this might be the perfect career opportunity for you. The city is looking for emergency dispatchers. The starting pay is $41,892 annually. If you are already a Kentucky certified dispatcher, the city will allow you to transfer up to 480 hours of accrued sick leave. In addition to the satisfaction of helping those in need, the City of Bowling Green offers great benefits. If you are interested, visit bgky.org/jobs to apply. You're watching Update Bowling Green.